G'day everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to talk about how to get rid of your pimples naturally. Now this has long been a little secret amongst models and celebrities, and I can guarantee they certainly won't spill the beans on this one. Why? Because there's so many taboos about it. Now I've been making a film on urine therapy, and that's right, you heard right, urine therapy, and spoke to many people about the use of urine on their skin. That's right, using urine on your skin for all types of things. And it's one of the most effective moisturizers, skin conditioners, anti-aging thing you could find on the market because it's your own designed for you, which works really effectively. Now, if you have a look at some of the ingredients in some of these pimple creams and things like that, you'll notice one particular one, which is Proactive, which you see all these celebrities promoting and so forth, is urea. Now, urea is one of the ingredients. And what's in urine? You guessed it. Urea is found in urine. In fact, 95% of urine is water, and the other percentage consists of about 2.5% of urea. So it's quite potent in that aspect, probably more than what you'd find in the Proactive product. However, urine is sterile, it's antibacterial, it's antifungal. So this alone makes it really good for your skin. So pimples are caused by many things. I mean, we have pimples caused by stress, for instance, stress related. On the top of your forehead, you can get a whole crust of pimples there, and that can be because your hair is dirty and the hair particles are touching the forehead and causing blackheads and oils and so forth to be in that area. And below the face, in the lower end, can be dietary as well. So, depending what you're eating. So I've met people that have used urine on their skin for pimples, and also not only just topical, they have been drinking as well. Yes, but you don't actually have to do that. The purpose of why they're drinking is just to clean the inside as well. So, if you don't want to do that, just maintain your diet and try and clean up your diet. Try and cut out all the junk food and the fats and sugars that you can find in a highly fast food diet. And that can reduce some of the pimples that you'll find on the lower end of your face rather than the top end. But however, because urine is actually sterile, it actually will clean. So this is part of the purpose of using urine. You just apply it fresh, pee into a glass, use it warm, or let it cool down after a couple of minutes, and just basically wash it all over your face. Now, this sounds gross, and fair enough, I can understand that. However, you'll notice, and the ammonia smell is always off-putting for a lot of people. The smell of urine is always a bit scary. But that ammonia actually dissipates, it disappears, it evaporates. So using urine on your face, you won't actually smell like piss. So it's a misconception. But what you will notice that is your face will feel a lot softer. It can also get a little bit tingly at times when you're rubbing it on. That's a normal feeling and a sensation. And that's also working in those areas, and it penetrates deep into the skin layers as well. It also helps you push out the wrinkles if you've got any wrinkles as well. So that is a really good cleaning technique as well. So by leaving that on your face as well, you're not washing it off, you're just leaving it on there and let it dry naturally. Just keep rubbing, you'll find the pimples will disappear. Now, I've noticed some people that have used some of these creams and things like that, and they had worse breakouts because what it's doing is it's pulling it all out of the face, and it just seems to be never ending. And the stress causes pimples as well, so therefore you're having more pimples, and you're on a never-ending run to the chemist or the doctors and doing it artificially. Don't forget, some of these wonderful creams and solutions and so forth are actually very chemically based. Just look at the ingredients, you probably couldn't even read half of them. So you're putting all that on there, and that's penetrating in the skin. So that's, our skin is our largest organ. So our skin receives all these toxins and poisons and things like that. Don't forget it's alcohol, so your skin dries out too. So you're not always having the advantage of that, whereas urine actually doesn't dry out your skin because the urea keeps it moist. It's used in a lot of moisturizer creams as well. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. You know, people, try it on one. Just dabble it on. If you're not feeling comfortable about rolling it all over your face, give one cheek a test, and then try out, and then do the other cheek and see how you go. You know, it's a quick solution. You probably only need to do it 2 to 3 times a day, depending on how bad your acne is as well. It can, like I say, it can plump the skin a little bit, but for those who have got really bad acne and those pits and so forth, I haven't actually seen them pull the pits out. But I don't know if they've experimented enough in how often they've used it to see if that actually works. But it definitely will clear up the standard common pimple that we get and the blackheads and so forth. So give it a go. There you go, model secrets spilt. Famous actress told me about that one, actually, funny enough, and I've had recommendations from other people that have used this method. Beauty of it is nobody has to know. You don't have to tell anybody, and no one can smell it on your skin, so no one will actually know that you're doing this secret, but I can guarantee you will see the benefits in a very short time, and best of all, it won't cost you anything. All right. That's all I'm going to talk about now. All right, have fun with that one. Try it out. See you later.